Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Messenger voice record not working. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I'm just going to click on a message, and if when I'm holding down the message record, it doesn't work, there is a couple of ways to fix that. The first one is to make sure that the phone is absolutely updated, that app is updated. So to do that, we're going to get out of Facebook Messenger, we're going to go to our App Store. We're going to type in Messenger. And then once you find the app, if it says open, then it's fully updated and you don't need to worry about that. But if it says update, go ahead and update the app and then retry to use the recording icon. This is because, they send these updates when there's a problem with the app and it fixes that problem. So you want to make sure you're constantly updating it or having it automatically update. After you do that, if it's still not working, what you want to do is reset the app. We're going to get out of there. We're going to go to settings in our phone. Once you get to your settings, we're going to go down to general, iPhone storage, and then we're going to find the message app. Once you find Messenger, you click on that. We're going to offload the app. Uploading the app is not going to do anything to your information on the app, but it will fix any of the problems within it and clear up the storage. So we're going to reinstall the app. It may take up to 2 minutes to do that, but once it does, you'll be able to log back into Messenger and it should be working fine. So now that it's reinstalled, we can get out of there, we can go back into Messenger, and we can try to use the recorder again, and it should be working fine. If you guys have any questions on this, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.